Lean on Me is an example of a song you could learn on the piano with almost no prior experience. For people with no prior experience, you're looking for songs that keep your hand in one position the entire time, and you're just really playing one note at a time with fairly simple rhythms, like this. All by itself, it doesn't sound like much, but if you add in a backing track, which a lot of methods like the Hoffman method, which I teach online, you can have a lot of fun with that and sound pretty cool just playing that melody along with a cool backing track. And that's an example of a song that you can be playing in minutes, even with no prior experience.